Hello everyone. Our today topic is to take a brief look at the commands that we have in this application. So I will first start off by idle command. So it actually is a wait command. So any command that follows it will be delayed till this time is over. So I will add here a 5 seconds delay. So we can change it from seconds to minutes. So we will keep it seconds. So we need a 5 seconds delay. And after that, I have to open the Notepad. So I will use the Windows terminal command. So this is just like when you are typing or entering command in your Windows terminal. So I type here in a Notepad. So these two commands are now we have in this macro. We can run the macro using this button. So the delay command is running and now the Notepad opens. So the macro is finished when it started the Notepad. So I will now extend my macro. I will type some text here. So this is the text command where you can actually type any text. So here I will type any text. Please note that it is case sensitive and you cannot use special keys like a new line or tab, etc. So this is the interval option, which is actually delay between each key press. So I will keep it very small like this. But before that, I have to add a duration, a delay between these two, because obviously the Notepad will take some time to open. So I can simply make a copy of this command and I can bring this just below this command, but I will keep its duration very little, and we can make this a bit shorter as well. So let's rerun our macro. And as you can see, it's typed the message. Now I want to show you another command, which is the key press. So it is actually used to press a single key on the keyboard. So it is not something special. You can select any key from this whole set. And if you want a lowercase letters, you can press this button. And as you can see, the buttons, the English letters are now lowercase, and I can make them uppercase again. So it will press this button a single time, and there is nothing more special in it. So I will delete this, and I will show you now the key down. So the key down and key up, when used as a combo, will work as key press. So key down, when you push down a key, you have to release it as well. So I will use or select the same key. So it will work like a key press. I will delete them as well. Now comes the hotkey. So here you can simply select a hotkey of 2 keys or 3 keys. So then you can specify like so. And it will just press this hotkey, as you can see. So these are all the commands available for us in the keyboard section. Now comes the mouse section. So in mouse, we got button click. So when we put this command, we got 2 options in it. One is which button to press. So it can be left, right, or middle. And the other option is repeat, so we can have single or double. So this is how it will work. And the button down and button up are again, or when used as a combo, will work as button click, but you have to select the same key again. For example, button down left, so I have to then again press release the button. Now the next option or command we have is the scroll wheel. Let me delete them. So the scroll wheel command is used to control your scroll wheel. We have to specify the direction, which can be down or up. And then we have jumps. So how many jumps you want to take, and the jump distance. This is in pixels, I suppose. So for example, if I use 5 jumps and jump distance of 50 pixels, so we will get 250 pixel scrolling downwards as it is pressed as down. So the last option that we have is the drag. So the drag command is used to move your mouse. You can specify the X coordinate and Y coordinate, then the duration. For example, if I say 500 pixels on the X axis and 500 pixels on the Y axis, then we have to specify the duration. So since it is set to 0 seconds, it will happen instantly. But if I set it to a duration, for example, 2 seconds, it will take 2 seconds to move your mouse to your specified location. I will keep these two commands as inactive for now. So let's run it. I am noticing that my screen recorder software is not recording correctly the automated mouse movement. So sorry about that. It actually moves to the expected position. Remember that we can specify or change these pixels from percentage as well. So it will be proportional to your screen size. So for example, 50% will mean the center of the screen on x-axis and the 50% on y-axis, because we selected 50 for both x and y. So let's rerun. And as you can see, the mouse moved to the exact center of the screen. Now the file system command. So now what it does, it is simply when you double click on your any file or folder, you can specify here file or folder, and it is just it will, for example, if it is a folder, it will open it in your file explorer, or if it's just an file extension, it will open this file in default application. And if it is an exe, so which is executable file, it will run the exe right away. So this is the file system command, which is quite useful. And after that, we have a power section. Here are all the obvious commands: shutdown, restart, log off, log in, hibernate. So remember that shutdown command will forcefully shut down your PC. So your any open documents will be closed. You may lose your data. So be sure to use this with cautious. So then we have the screenshot command. This screenshot command will take a screenshot of your whole screen, and it will save to your specified location. So it will play a shatter sound as well, which you can turn off from the settings. So this is the screenshot sound, which you can turn off if you want. So I will run it for you. Let's run it. As you can see, it just took the screenshot of the whole screen. As of now, you cannot specify the bounding box for it. Okay, so the next command we have the internet. So here you can specify any URL, web URL, and it will open your default browser, then will open a tab in it and will visit your specified URL. So let me type here google.com. google.com. So let's run this. As you can see, it opened up the Google. We finally ended all the commands. I hope you got idea of all of them, how they work and how they are meant to be used. And that's it for this video.